So, we have a big problem. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the biggest problem new affiliate marketers are facing right now. Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kyla, and I would love to know, how is your day going today? Drop it down in the comments below. Don't worry, I'll wait. Awesome. Now that I've had a chance to hear from you, now it is time to give you some tough love. And you may not want to hear it, but you need to hear it if you're an affiliate marketer who wants to be successful. If you're serious about upgrading your business and upgrading your life, you're going to want to stick around to the end of this video because I share the biggest problem that new affiliate marketers and entrepreneurs face when they first start out and a solid game plan on how to work through it. And the thing is, this problem, it's a mindset problem. The issue is new affiliate marketers don't invest because they want free everything. Free training, free mentorship, free coaching, free programs, whatever it is, they want it for free. But you aren't going to get anywhere with this mindset. And it's actually hurting you and your business more than you realize. For those of you who don't know, I am a professional ballroom dancer. And in my time dancing, I have earned a couple of championships that I am very, very proud of. But it wasn't like one day I woke up and I was like, I'm gonna be a ballroom dancer, and the next I was winning a championship and holding that trophy. No, it took years of taking lessons and coaching and traveling and paying for dresses, paying for competitions, all this other stuff that led me to hitting my goal. And I would say I'm a fairly naturally talented dancer, but talent only gets you so far. At a certain point, you need to invest. If you want to be successful, if you want to hit your goals, you need to invest in yourself. It comes down to which mindset you are going to choose to have, and that is either a scarcity mindset or an abundant mindset. And if you guys stay to the end of this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 ways for you to shift your mindset so you can have anything you want. Okay, so let's break this down. When it comes to a scarcity mindset, you may find yourself afraid to spend money, or having to spend most of it the minute it hits your checking account. With a scarcity mindset, you'll find yourself focusing on how you never truly have enough. And as you may have guessed, having an abundant mindset is very much the opposite of a scarcity mindset. An abundance mindset keeps in mind every possible favorable outcome for your financial situation while allowing you to be open to each one. And I want to share an amazing quote with you guys by Robin S. Sharma that says, "What you focus on grows, what you think about expands, and what you dwell on determines your destiny." So if you're only focused on how little money you have, how little opportunity you have compared to other people, then that's what your life is going to be like, and that's what you're going to attract to yourself. But if you're focusing on abundance and the fact that you have so many opportunities, even though your financial situation might not be amazing, what you focus on is what you get. Now, I want to bring up this disclaimer, okay? As an affiliate marketer, you have access to so many free resources on the internet. All it takes is a few Google searches, and you can find answers to most of your questions. If you need to know how to get started, there's a million videos for that. If you need to know what products to promote, there's a million videos for that. Even on this channel alone, I have several videos helping new affiliate marketers. And so you have access to all this information, but at some point, this free content isn't going to be enough. And you will need to invest in yourself in order to grow and become more successful. And you don't have to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars to be successful. You don't need to have the most expensive gear. You don't need to have the most expensive computer, all this stuff. But there is a point where you do need to invest, and you need to commit and say, I'm all in, and you're going to work and invest on yourself to get to that next level. So here are a few things I recommend to shift your mindset so you avoid the trap of getting stuck and not growing because you're afraid to spend money. Number 1 is surround yourself with people who also have that abundant mindset. When you choose to surround yourself with people who have that abundant mindset, they have those positive money vibes, they're willing to grow, they're willing to invest and hit their goals no matter what it takes, that's going to inspire you and help you grow as well. And so whether it's the people you're hanging out with online or face-to-face, be mindful of the people you choose to spend your time with. And it's not hard. All you have to do is spend a couple minutes with someone and hear how they talk about their business, money, their goals, and you can find out pretty quickly if they are in that abundant mindset or operating from a scarcity mindset. Number 2 is focus on the growth. And one thing I want to challenge you as an affiliate marketer is to change your perspective. If you're going to go sign up for a course, if you're going to go on and sign on a mentor or whatever it is, don't focus on it being you losing money. Instead, shift your focus and it's now something that's going to help you grow and up level. So instead of it being like, oh, I'm losing all this money, this sucks, it's like, no, I'm now taking the steps, I'm now taking the action, and it may be scary, it may make me feel really nervous, but I'm gonna take this because I know it's gonna help me succeed and get to that goal even faster. And I felt this exact same way. Right after I quit my job and I was starting this new entrepreneurial journey, I knew I needed some help. I needed the foundation to get started with marketing and how do I get myself online? And so I'd heard amazing things about this 30-day challenge, but this challenge was $100 and I had just quit my job, my husband wasn't working, and we had no money coming in the door. And it was like, do we spend this $100 on this challenge for me? And I had heard so many reviews, I had heard so many people get results from this challenge, and I sat down one day and said, you know what? I'm gonna do it. I am not getting anywhere right now and I need some help. And so I took out my credit card, I spent that $100, and that challenge changed me and helped give me the foundation to help me be successful now. And I'm so grateful that I took it. Was it scary? Yes, but because I took it and I also took action on the things they were telling me, I was able to get success so much faster. And third, utilize your resources, and that may even include the resources you don't even know you have. One thing that's really cool is when I took this 30-day challenge that I was super scared to pay for, one of the coaches in there shared a really amazing story, and he was talking about how he was in college, he was broke, he had a wife, they had kids, he was just starting his own business, he was trying to figure out this whole entrepreneurial journey, and they were broke. They were living off student loans, and one day he found out that his wife had been skipping meals throughout the week so she could make him a meal to go to school. And so she wasn't eating hardly any food because they were so poor. They couldn't afford many groceries. And so this coach, he went to his dad and he was like, I need to borrow some money. And his dad said something really amazing, and his dad said no. And the coach, he goes, you know, that is the greatest thing he could have ever said to me. And his dad proceeds to say, the reason why I'm not going to lend you money right now is because you haven't used all of your resources. There's nothing better than a situation where you're in a rock and a hard place to teach you what resources you have. So get off your butt and get to work. If you, my friend, are someone who is stuck in their business right now, you are doing the work, you are putting in the time, but you're just not getting the traffic you want, you're not seeing those sales come in, then I would love to invite you to take that same 30-day challenge that I took right after I quit my job. And in fact, I'm going through it a second time. I have several videos on this channel documenting my journey of me going through the One Funnel Away Challenge again. That is what it is called, the One Funnel Away Challenge. It will be linked down in the description below, along with my free bonuses if you want to go check it out. But only go check it out if you're serious about taking action and investing in yourself. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found value, feel free to like, feel free to subscribe. That really helps support my channel. I love you all so much, and I will see you on the next video. Bye, dudes.